From bare to cozy, embracing Japandi style in your home. Is it possible to design 100 interiors in a year? This is our 25th home interior design, as part of the 100 interiors we're creating in 365 days. Today, we're using Miss Chelsy's home as an example. Empty space, lack of storage, lack of space. Turning this space into something amazing. Curious how we did it? Join me as I show you the design process using SketchUp and Inkscape. This is Chelsy's current layout, which includes her living, dining, and kitchen area. Before planning, we asked her what designs and changes she wanted for her house, because the only things in the kitchen are the countertop, lower kitchen cabinets, and upper kitchen storage. She said she wanted her home to be low maintenance, airy and light yet cozy and warm. She's also open to any design suggestions that we will provide. She also wanted to incorporate a Japandi design style. From there, we used that as the starting point for our design. We will also incorporate smart storage solutions to keep her belongings organized. To bring out the Japandi vibe, we'll incorporate natural materials like wood and soft fabrics, and pair them with neutral colors. So, let's start with his flooring. She already has gray ceramic tiles with a stone-like design, which perfectly complements the style she wants. Because of this, we will keep them as is. These tiles are low-maintenance, durable, and their natural aesthetic aligns beautifully with the Japandi style. For her wall, we decided to keep the existing paint as it provides a great base for the design elements we plan to incorporate into her home. For her living area, we will begin with her window coverings. She mentioned that she's looking for sheer curtains because she loves natural light. Additionally, the climate there is cold and humid. So, we'll add the sheer curtains she wanted and layer them with light blackout curtains for added functionality and style. This way, she can enjoy natural light during the day while keeping the space warm and cozy at night. By the way, if you're planning to shop for this window cover, I've got something for you. Use my exclusive link and don't forget to apply the code DESIGNBURST and check out to get 15% off of your purchase. The details are also in the description box below, so you can check it out anytime. Now moving on to the furniture, we chose a slightly curved sofa with a neutral tone. Since it has a low backrest, we complemented it by adding pillows in muted orange and green tones. These additions make the living room feel cozy and inviting. Because the space is limited, we chose to add a C-shaped side table worth $167.40 with a minimalist design and natural wood material. It's lightweight and easy to move around, making it versatile for small spaces. You can also place a vase and some books on it, which adds a decorative touch and aligns perfectly with the Japandi style. Then, of course, we added a rug with a neutral color and subtle pattern to make the space feel warmer and more complete. We will position the TV area here. We will incorporate a PVC fluted wall panel with a warm-toned wood finish, which will add texture and depth to the space while enhancing its cozy and inviting atmosphere. We added a low-profile TV console, worth $1,359.99 to the space. It fits perfectly with the overall design and enhances the room's aesthetic. Additionally, it provides extra storage, helping to keep the area organized and functional. Adding decorations that match the style is important to enhance the space and make it feel more cohesive and personal. We chose a 55-inch TV as it's ideal for the 1.5-meter viewing distance in this space. And another idea for this TV area is adding hanging shelves above the TV for extra storage and display space. We also added an LED light under the shelves to highlight the items displayed and create a warm, inviting ambiance. Also, on the side of the shelves, we will add a clock to bring a touch of functionality and style to the space. In this part of the living area, the wall looked empty, so we added a mirror to create the illusion of a larger space and reflect light to brighten the room. Of course, we placed some indoor plants on both sides of the TV console to bring a fresh, natural vibe and balance to the design. Now, for the lighting fixtures, we added a floor lamp beside the chair, worth $112.49. Made of rattan, it adds warmth and texture to the space, perfectly complementing the style. We also included a pendant light to enhance the overall ambiance and create a stylish focal point. We've also tagged a similar product in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Pin lights were added for extra illumination and to ensure the lighting is well balanced throughout the space. At the entrance, there was still some unused space that could be optimized. To make the most of it, we added a shoe cabinet where she can tuck in her shoes or slippers as she enters the house. We also added some decor to make the space feel more personal. These touches help create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. With all these updates, the living area has been transformed into a cozy, stylish, and functional space. In her dining area, we added a 6-seater dining table worth $1,729.99 to the space. To enhance its look, we placed a beautiful centerpiece on top. This addition makes the dining area feel more inviting and complete. We chose dining chairs that perfectly match the table to maintain a cohesive look. They add both comfort and a touch of style to the dining area. We also added a natural fiber area rug to define the dining area. It helps ground the room, making the space feel complete and less empty while adding warmth and texture. For the lighting fixture, we added a pendant light with wooden accents to enhance the space. Its design adds a touch of warmth, creating a cozy atmosphere. This choice perfectly complements the overall aesthetic of the room. On this wall, we added a wall lamp with a small plant to create a soft and cozy ambiance. We also added an indoor plant on this side to bring a fresh vibe to the space. Its natural touch enhances the overall ambiance and makes the area feel more inviting. Under the stairs, the space was empty, and she wanted this area to be more functional. She requested storage for organizing her belongings, ensuring the space is used efficiently. So, we created storage under the stairs, and here it is. She can now use the space to store her kitchen appliances and water dispenser. The remaining area can be used for additional storage, keeping everything organized. With these updates, the dining area and understairs space are now both functional and inviting, seamlessly combining style and practicality. Moving on to her kitchen area. As I mentioned earlier, she only has the countertop, lower kitchen cabinets, and upper kitchen storage here. Her cabinets perfectly match the Japandi style she wants, thanks to their wood fixtures. So, we will retain these cabinets because they add a natural and minimalist touch to the space. Their design perfectly complements the Japandi aesthetic. Additionally, they offer plenty of storage, making them highly functional for her needs. We also retained the countertop as it complements the overall design. Its durability and functionality make it a practical choice for the space. It also adds extra workspace, enhancing its usability. And we will just add some beige backsplash here. It complements the gray countertop, creating a cohesive look. This addition also pairs well with the cabinets, enhancing the overall design. We also added an LED light under the upper cabinet to provide better task lighting and enhance the kitchen's ambiance. We will also add the gas range here as requested. The refrigerator will be placed on this side to suit her preferences. Both will be incorporated seamlessly into the layout. For the kitchen's lighting fixtures, we added track lighting with wood accents. This complements the overall style we're creating and ties the design together seamlessly. With these updates, her kitchen now combines functionality and style, perfectly aligned with the Japandi aesthetic she desires, while maximizing storage and maintaining a warm, minimalist feel. Here's a quick tour of the 3 areas we designed in Miss Chelsy's house. Let's explore how we transformed her living area, kitchen, and dining space into stylish, functional, and cozy spots that perfectly fit her needs and style. And if you also have a room you'd like to redesign using different design styles, feel free to email us at designburst26@gmail.com. Recently, we've received a lot of emails, but we noticed some of them didn't include a response or the details we need to create a proper interior design. So, we need your help. Please make sure to provide all the necessary information so we can better assist you. We look forward to hearing from you and collaborating on your dream space. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.